Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In the heart of South Sudan, deep within the cattle camp and quiet village of the Nuer people, a silent crisis continues. A crisis where tradition and hardship force young girls into marriage they did not choose. This is the hidden story of forced marriage among the Nuer community. For generations, marriage in Nuer culture has been built around exchange of cattle. A man cannot marry without paying a bride price of 10,000 of cows. But in time of poverty, conflict, or loss, some families see their daughters as a solution, a way to gain cattle money or security. Girls as young as 13 are married off without their consent, and sometimes to men they have never met. I want to stay in school. I dream of becoming a nurse. But one day, my father told me I was getting married to a man from another village. I had no choice, a girl said. In this situation, girls lose everything: education, freedom, and sometimes even their life due to early pregnancy and abuse. Though South Sudan law prohibits child marriage, enforcement is weak, especially in rural areas where customary law still rules. Organizations and brave individuals are now working to raise awareness, educate families, and protect girls from forced marriage. But change is slow, and many suffer in silence. Ending forced marriage is not about destroying culture, it is about protecting choice, dignity, and the future of young girls. Tradition can evolve, and the Nuer community can lead the way. Every girl deserves the right to choose her future. Speak out. Share this video. Be a voice for the voiceless. Forced marriage must end so that every girl can dream freely. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories that matter. Together we can make a difference.